If you've been wondering how to build your course in LearnWorlds, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create a course in LearnWorlds, what its features are, and how it compares to some other platforms. By the end, you'll know whether LearnWorlds is the best option for you, or if there's a better alternative out there that can take your course creation to the next level. The first thing you need to do when building your course in LearnWorlds is to sign up and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can start the course creation process. It's fairly intuitive, and you'll immediately see options to add a new course. You can begin by setting up the course details, like the title, description, and the type of course you want to create, whether it's a video course, a text-based one, or even a combination of the two. Next thing, LearnWorlds gives you the option to customize your course layout with its drag-and-drop builder. You can add sections and lessons, making it easy to break down your course into manageable parts. While this drag-and-drop functionality is user-friendly, it's not always the most flexible, especially when compared to other platforms like Teachable or Kajabi, which offer a more customizable design experience. But for beginners or those looking for speed, this is a great option. The third thing I'd like to mention is the interactive features LearnWorlds offers, like quizzes, surveys, and assignments. These tools are key if you want to add engagement to your course and ensure students are learning and retaining the material. However, while these features are useful, they aren't as polished or as advanced as what some competitors offer. For example, platforms like Thinkific have a smoother experience with assessments, and their analytics are a little more detailed. The fourth thing, marketing tools. LearnWorlds has some solid built-in marketing features, including affiliate programs, coupons, and email marketing automation. It's great if you want to promote your course without integrating too many third-party tools. But if you're looking for more advanced marketing options, you might find platforms like Kajabi or Podia offering more robust systems for growing your course business. Now, if you're looking for more flexibility, better user interfaces, or more advanced marketing features, there are alternatives that could work better for your goals. Thinkific, Teachable, and Podia each offer unique advantages, especially when it comes to ease of use, customizable design, and marketing integrations. That brings me to the end of this video, but before you go, I want to let you know that we've got a special deal for LearnWorlds, giving you an exclusive extended free trial. And if you want to explore even better alternatives for course creation, we've also got options that come with their own free trials, plus exclusive benefits only available to you through our link. Be sure to check out the description for all the details. Thanks for watching, and if you're serious about creating your course, make sure you grab the best deal by clicking the link below.